So guys, the OnePlus 6 is generating a ton of buzz weeks before launch, and it's easy to see why. The company has already revealed that its flagship will come with a Snapdragon 845 of processor, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of native storage. The OnePlus 6 will be the most powerful phones you've ever seen. You can also expect less bezels around the large 6.2-inch OLED screen and a water-resistant design. As we get closer to launch, OnePlus is leaking new details and features of its flagship OnePlus 6 almost daily, and now we have our first look at photo samples from the main camera. Guys, these come to us directly from the company's CEO Pete Lowe, who shared the samples on Chinese site Weibo. They look pretty great so far, but something's missing. According to Android Central, which earlier reported on the posted images, the photos were taken by the OnePlus 6 primary 16-megapixel camera. Based on OnePlus 6 rumors, the secondary camera should have a 20-megapixel sensor. Apparently, taken at Stanford, one of the first images shows a patch flanked by trees. The camera does a good job rendering the buildings in the background, and the clouds are set off nicely from the blue sky. It's also easy to make out details in the grate in the foreground, though some of the leaves in the trees lack definition. If you're wondering whether the OnePlus 6 can pull off portraits with a bokeh effect, you'll be glad to see this next camera sample of flowers. The pink tulip in the foreground stand out nicely against the backdrop of purple flowers and surrounding by green leaves. The photo has a nice pop to it. What's not known is how much, if any, control you have over the blur effect as you do with the Galaxy S9's live focus feature. Based on the next photo of a building in a bright sunlight, it's clear that the OnePlus can deliver pleasing contrast. Even in the background, there's a fair amount of details in the windows on the tower where there's shadow. However, you lose definition in the stonework as you go from left to right. Guys, what OnePlus didn't show off is how well the OnePlus 6 camera performs in low light. This is an area where the Pixel 2 really excels, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Hopefully, the company will release additional photo samples soon. So, what's your thoughts on these camera samples? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.